Hey, do you know which way the parking garage is?
I have no idea.
Oh, I saw it's right around this building. We're just looking for it. How you doing? What floor? Got it. Have a good day.
Thanks. Good luck on your search.
Thank you. So the way we came in, I saw the parking. Yep, there's the door. The elevator's right over there. What I like to do when I'm mostly on elevators, I like to go alone. I just tell me what floor. I'm gonna have you go to the top floor and back down, and I'll meet you. At least go to 5 and wait for me. I'm gonna go down, like up and down twice, and I'll come get you out at the top floor. Okay, top floor of the garage.
You want me to go to 5?
Well, I don't know how many floors it is. Let's just go all the way to the top floor. Push. All right, they're open. All right, so you go first. I'll meet you up there. I'm gonna get a picture of the elevators while I'm waiting. All right, see you up there.
What do I push?
Elevator is going up.
Oh, this smells clean.
Parking 3.
I'll be right back.
Elevator is going down. Elevator is going up. Parking 3.
These elevators are really different. Look at the shape of this. Look at these elevators are like different. I don't know what kind of mod they are, but they're pretty cool.
Have you ever thought about even in the elevator, like building?
What's that?
Like building elevators?
I love filming elevators.
No, I mean building.
No, that's a lot of work, and plus I can mess it up. We can go down together now.
Well, it's something.
Yeah, just look at.
Elevator is going down.
See, look at how thin these door tracks are. You have to get off the street.
If you go into them and you could design them on paper or something,
Oh, that's cool.
or on the computer.
Yeah, these mods are different. Hey, look, it took us back to the street. Now we just keep on zooming from here. Yeah.
Train station. Going up. Street level. Train station.
We could take we could take this one. No, let's take the next one. This one, that one's going to be over full. That was nice of them. So there should be any of these. Oh, middle one. Hey. So let's. Oh yeah, I don't remember these elevators. How you guys doing?
How about you?
Yeah, I'm an elevator fan.
You ever cheated the number 2 button?
I did.
Have a good day.
You too.
So that one's locked. There we go. Alright, we're going up to the top. Here we go. My ears are popping. How about yours? Let's see if we can get a view. They're pretty cool, huh? Yeah, I don't think there's any view on this one. So we can press it down. First floor. This is where we gotta get off. Hope we're stopping. Hey, come on in. Oh, this ain't one. Hey.
Hi.
Oh, you guys look pretty. You're welcome.
It's not yours. No, because shoot. I did ask.
Are you done with this?
He's
Okay,
like, no, I
take that.
think he said I think I missed
You ain't go bye-bye?
So where are you guys from?
They're from Vegas.
Vegas.
Oh, well, that's far.
Yeah, it is. Visiting.
Hi. Well, that was nice of them to let us do that. All right, let's go ahead and get the car back and try going to the place.